Hello everyone, how are you? Hopefully you are fine and I wish you are also doing well with your studies. So as you see, today we will start exercise on question tags. So simply we'll go for exercise, no rules today because the rules we discussed earlier. Today we will reshuffle our learning outcome. So question tags, it's actually after the statement you to add a tag for a confirmation, or sometimes you throw challenges in this bunch. So let's start. So it says we often watch TV in the afternoon. So whenever we do add question tag in any statement, first you to notice or you to trace whether the sentence is affirmative or negative, whether the statement is affirmative or negative, and positive or negative. See, if the statement is positive, the tag will be negative, and if the statement is negative, the tag will be positive. And we'll add tag with the helping verbs, and if we do not find helping verbs, that time we will import helping verbs like do, does, did according to the tense. You understand? So positive statement, negative question tag, and negative statement, positive question tag. So what is the answer? Question. We often watch TV in the afternoon. So it's a positive statement. So what will be the tag of it? What is the question tag of it? Can I assume? So as it is positive statement, and I said that you to add question tag with the helping verbs, then subject, so or pronoun. So but here we are not getting any helping verbs, means am, is, or was, or this was not available, have, has, had. So in this case we to import helping verb do, does, did according to tense. So we often watch TV in the afternoon. It is actually present simple tense, so do or does will go, but does for third person singular, but subject here we, so it is first person plural, so no point to take does, so we'll take do, means don't, so we'll take don't, then subject we. So let's check the answer. Yes, don't we. So we often watch TV in the afternoon, so it will be don't we. Got it? Thank you. Next it comes, you have cleaned your bike. So it's also positive statement, and here we have helping verbs like you have cleaned your bike. Have is helping verb, so we will take negative question tag, so it will be haven't, then you. So you have cleaned your bike, so it will be haven't you. Let's check. Yes, haven't you. So things are very simple. Positive statement, you will take negative question tag, and negative statement you will take positive question tag, and you will prepare the tag, we will make the tag with the helping verbs, then pronoun, subject or pronoun. So you simply understand that you have cleaned your bike is a positive statement, so we took negative question tag, haven't you. Got it? Hopefully you got it. It's very simple. Let's start next exercise. What it says, John and Max don't like maths. So what the statement type? Is it positive or negative? So as it is don't there, so it's a negative statement. So we'll prepare or we'll make the question tag as positive tag. So John and Max don't like Max, so we'll take the helping verbs don't here, so, but we'll take positive statement, so do. And what the subject? John and Max. So for them pronoun will be they. So the answer would be don't they. So John and Max don't like maths, so it will be do they. How it is? Are you facing difficulties or are you finding them convenient? Yes, these are very simple. So as we went to the rules earlier, so you can have a look there, or you can listen me now. Then you will be able to master on that question. Okay, so let's start. Next rule. It says Peter played handball yesterday. So it's a positive statement or negative statement? So it's actually positive statement. Peter played handball yesterday. But the sentence doesn't contain any helping verbs. So we do import helping verb do, does, did. But whether do, does, did. So if in case of past tense we will take did. Other cases we will take do or does. So Peter played handball yesterday. It's a past tense, past simple. So we'll take did. So Peter played handball yesterday. So didn't he? Yes, didn't he? You understood? Hopefully you got it. These are not that much difficult actually. Just some key information to remember. Let's start. Next rule. It says they are going home from school. See, it's also positive statement and it has helping verbs are. So we'll take not contraction with are, then the pronoun. So aren't they? So they are going home from school. So it will be changed as, or its tag will be aren't they. Okay, let's check. Yes, aren't they? So they are going home from school. Its tag question will be aren't they? Got it? Well, next one. Mary didn't do her homework last Monday. Mary didn't do her homework last Monday. It's a negative statement. So we'll take positive question tag. And we'll notice, or we'll check whether there is helping verbs are there or not. Yes, there is didn't. So negative statement, and so tag will be positive. So we'll take did. And for Mary, we'll pick the pronoun. So it's negative. Her. So Mary didn't do her homework last Monday. So we'll take did she. Yes, did she. So Mary didn't do her homework last Monday, did she? You understand? Well, next one. He could have bought a new car. So it's positive statement. So the question tag will be negative, and we will add not contraction with the helping verbs could. So he could have bought a new car. So couldn't he? Yes, couldn't he? So tag question actually is not that much difficult. It's a bit silly, but you need to remember the key rules or some fundamental rules, and you need to practice. You need to solve the exercises from different sources like model question, model test, previous year questions from online sources, whatever you can manage time. It's true for all grammar items. If you are not in touch with grammar, you'll forget the things. You understand? Well, let's start next rule. It says Kevin will come tonight. So Kevin will come tonight is a positive statement. So the question tag will be negative. So we'll take not contraction with the word will. So whenever we add not contraction will not, so it becomes won't. You understand? Won't. So Kevin. So for Kevin we'll take pronoun he. So won't he? Yes. Won't he? So Kevin will come tonight. Won't he? Okay. Well. Next one. I am clever. So apparently I am clever means I am clever. For am we should take amn't, is it? But no, it's an exception. For the helping verbs am, in case of I, we should take are. So if it is positive statement, we should take aren't. So I'm clever, it would be aren't I. Okay, so I'm clever, aren't I? Let's check the answer. Yes, aren't I? Next one, Mr. McGuinness is from Ireland. So it's also positive statement. We just simply add not contraction with is, then pronoun. So Mr. McGuinness is from Ireland. It will be isn't he? Okay, it should be isn't he? Let's check. Yes, isn't he? So Mr. McGuinness from Ireland, isn't he? It's very simple. Next one, the car isn't in the garage. See, it's a negative statement. And for this, we'll make positive question tag. So the car isn't in the garage. It will be is it. For the car, we'll take pronoun it. So is it. Not will be omitted, as we'll make positive question tag. So the car isn't in the garage. It will be is it. Let's check. Yes, is it. Next one, you are John. So if you wanna change it, it will be if you wanna make question tag for this, we'll find that it is positive statement. So the question tag will be negative. Aren't you? Okay. So aren't you? Let's check. Yes, aren't you? So how the things are? Are the things easy or difficult? Hopefully you are finding them easy. These are not that much difficult. Next one, she went to the library yesterday. So if you want to change it, I'm classing this. She went to the library yesterday. So it will be changed like it is affirmative statement. So if you want to make question tag for this, we will make negative question tag. But point is that here also we are not finding any helping verbs. So we will import helping verbs, do, does, did, as it is past tense. So we will take did and so we will make negative question tag. So it will be didn't. So didn't she? She went to the library yesterday. So it would be didn't she? Let's check the answer. Yes, didn't she? Okay. Well, Next one, he didn't recognize me. So it's a negative statement. So we'll add positive question tag. So it will be did he. So he didn't recognize me. It will be did he. You understand? So he didn't recognize me. Simply we'll omit the not contraction and we'll take did and he. So he didn't recognize me. It will be did he. Next one, yes, did he. Next exercise, cars pollute the environment. So it's also a positive statement. So for this we will take negative question tag, but here we're not getting any helping verbs. In this way we will import helping verbs, do, does, did. So as present tense we will take do or does, but cars, so it is plural, so we'll take do, so it will be don't. And for cars we will take the pronoun they. So cars pollute the environment, it will be don't they. Okay, so cars pollute the environment, don't they. Yes, don't they. Next one, he won't tell her. So it's a negative statement, and for this we will take positive question tag. So you see, won't means actually will not. So for the helping verb we will pick will and the pronoun he. So he won't tell her, its question tag will be will he. Let's check. Yes, will he. Okay. Yes. Next one, she's collecting stickers. So she is collecting stickers. It's also positive statement, and we'll take negative question tag. We'll make negative question tag. So as helping verbs are there, so things are easy. Isn't she? So she is collecting stickers. It will be isn't she. Got it? Well, so far we practiced 18 exercises today, and we discussed the answers. Yes, isn't she. So what the basic things you have to remember in case of question tag, that if the statement is positive, the question tag will be negative. If the statement is negative, the question tag will be positive. And we will make the question tag with helping verbs and pronoun of the subject. Or if subject pronoun is given, that bottom will place the pronoun directly. And if you do not find helping verb, that by time we will import helping verb according to tense. Like for past tense we will take did, and for present tense we will take do or does. Then we will add not contraction if it is needed to make negative question tag. You understand? So that's all for today. So how did you find this? I think these are not that much difficult. Things are easy. So my suggestion for you, as I said earlier, so to get good marks or to get a good figure in tag question, you have to practice question tag from different sources, like from grammar books or exercise part, model question, previous board question, or from any online sources. So in this way you will be able to master on tag questions and get a good figure in the exam. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, for listening. See you in another day. Till then, keep fine. Thank you.